Hey there everybody, Mr. Kowalczyk here with a video for Business Math, and today we find ourselves in Chapter 19. Chapter 19, we're looking at different types of costs that businesses have to pay in order for their business to keep rolling, to stay in business. And in Section 19-1, we're talking about renting. That's right, there are many businesses out there that do not own their own building and their own property. Instead, they rent. They rent a place to run their business. In this case, as we see for problem number 1, what we see happening here is a company is renting a warehouse for a newspaper business. You see, there are all types of businesses that have to rent. Whenever you walk around the mall, you might see a little kiosk kind of like out there in the middle of the floor where all they're doing is selling some sunglasses. That's rented. The spaces at the mall, the different rooms that you walk into, whether it's JCPenney or American Eagle or The Gap or Old Navy, those places are usually rented space as well. So today we're going to look at the math involved for calculating how much a company might pay for rent per month. And just like a rent at an apartment, this is usually paid per month. Now, of course, there are 2 steps today. Step 1 helps us to find the number of square feet, because the bigger the place, the more it's going to cost to rent. And then what we'll also look at is step 2, which helps us find the actual monthly rental charge, the fee for renting that place per month. Well, to get us rolling, let's start reading. The West Side Herald rents a warehouse for its newspaper business. The dimensions of this warehouse, the dimensions, and this is kind of important, are 45 feet by 50 feet. All right? The annual rental charge is $5.40 per square foot. Answer the following questions. Well, question A, or letter A, is what is the number of square feet? What is the number of square feet? Well, that takes us to step 1. Let me change my font. I'm going to make it a little bit, there we go, a little bit better. Step 1, the length times the width. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 45 feet, we're going to multiply it times 50 feet. Once we multiply this all out, we get our answer for step 1 and for letter A. So 45 times 50, and what we get is 2,250. And what that means is that the space that this company, the West Side Herald, is looking at a rental space of 2,250 square feet. This is not money we're dealing with. In letter A, step 1, we're dealing with square feet. B, what is the monthly rental charge? And that leads us to step 2. What is the monthly rental charge? Well, we first need to know what the annual rate is. And that is $5.40 per square foot. And we're going to multiply that times the number of square feet that we got in letter A. And if we multiply this out, we get our grand total. And we need to make sure that we write that on the line. It is $12,150. $12,150. It is looking pretty good. So, once again, if you have any questions, please let me know. This example was taken from our worksheet for today, so hopefully this helps you out. And have a great afternoon.